Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom registration form for your registration page. To start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, let's open the timeline that you want to create a custom registration form for. From here, click on Registration from the left-hand side. There are two ways that you can create a new form. You can either click on Edit here from the upper right, and then click on Create Your Custom Form, or you can simply click on Create New Form from here. It will redirect you to the Create Your Form page. These are the default fields that you can see on the registration form. To edit a field, click on the Edit button. This is the webinar name display field. You can change the label, which is this one. You can also edit what appears as the custom option, which is this one. To change the label color, just click on the color you prefer. You can also adjust the border radius by typing in the value here. You can also adjust the number of webinars to display when someone clicks on this drop-down. This only applies if you have multi-option selected for your registration type. The preview shows how the webinar schedules are displayed. You can change this by moving these values up or down. You can also hide a value or delete them by clicking on either the hide icon or the delete icon. You can also add a symbol by clicking on this. You can add a comma, a hyphen, or a forward slash. Once satisfied, click on Apply Settings. Let's move on to the next field. This is the name field. Here you can set the field as required or not. You can change the field type to email, phone, text, or URL. You can set the field label here. The placeholder is what appears inside the field, this one. You can also set that as you prefer. For the border radius, type in the value you want to set it to. You can also set the label style in either bold, italic, or underlined, and the alignment to either left, right, in the center, or have it justified. For the label color, text color, and border color, click on the color you prefer from the options. The same settings can be edited for the other fields, like the email field and the phone number field. For the Submit button, here are the settings you can edit. You can change the button text and the button's background color. When the full width is checked, it will display the button to the form's full width. To edit its properties, uncheck the full width box. You can enter the custom size for your button here. You can also change the alignment to the left, to the right, or in the center. You can also set the padding by entering your preferred values in these boxes. Click on Reset if you want to set it back to its default settings. Click on Update Padding. To change the border color of the button, click on your preferred color here. You can also specify the border width and the border radius. For the button text, you can change the font weight, and the font size. You can also apply a shadow to the button. You have 3 choices to select from: Shadow 1, 2, and 3. You can also remove it by clicking on Remove Shadow. Once done, click on the back arrow here. These are the modules that you can add to your form. If you want to add a paragraph field, simply drag and drop that module to your form. Then you can edit its properties. To delete, just click on the Delete button. From here you can edit the global styles. You can edit the body font and the font size. For the form container, you can edit the padding and the gap between the fields. To select a background color, click on the one you prefer. You can also put a shadow to the form itself. Once done, don't forget to click on Save Changes. To preview the changes you made, click on Preview. You can preview your form in desktop, tablet, and mobile views. To exit out, click on the X from the upper right. This is important. To use the form you just created, click on it. It should show in use here. Then go back to the code section, copy the updated form registration code, and paste it on your registration page. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.